How many women can relate to this? You've all kinds of names for it, right? You call it back boobs, bra bulge, rear rolls. Guys don't talk like that. That's like stuff, I've got that from my producers, those words. Today, I'm gonna show you how to eliminate back fat. Now, who here is willing to play with me today? Who's willing to admit they've got a little bit of back fat? All right, you shot so close to the front, I can't resist. Come on down. What's your first name? Jumaya? Yeah. All right. Shumaya's joining me. So what bothers you about back fat?
I mean, I just don't like the way it looks on my clothes. It makes me look fat, very uncomfortable. The way it hangs from under, it's not pretty.
And why is it that it happens? That's the big question everyone has.
I don't know, but I hope you'll help me figure this out.
I am going to help you. You came to the right place. Let me start by explaining what it is. What is that fat? Because it's actually not just the skin. The back fat develops deep inside the back where you have a system of muscles, 4 muscles that are interwoven, nice big thick muscles when you're young anyway. But you have these little spaces, right, underneath the muscle and around the muscle, and you actually fill in these boxes with fat sometimes, even though you don't want to. It accumulates there. And then, as the fat gets larger and you get a little bit older, the muscle begins to get thin, and then gravity pulls the muscle and the fat around it down. And it looks like that, right? And then guess what? You put on an ill-fitting bra, and that accentuates the extra tissue. You got your attention now, didn't I, everybody? All right. Let's move on to the fixes here. I'm going to banish the back fat. The way to do that is to get the right bra. That's the first step. I asked Janae Luciani to join us. She's the author of The Bra Book. Welcome.
Thank you.
So I got a couple ideas, but let's start with the most obvious one that accentuates the fat. Janae, walk us through this. Can you tell if Shumaya's wearing the right size bra?
Absolutely. Well, you know, most of us are wearing the wrong size bra at one point in our lives. And there's some quick tests we can do. So Dr. Oz will walk you through it. Audience, you guys can follow along too, just to see specifically with back bulging, if your bra is too tight, that's really going to give you that issue. So look at the straps, okay? So if you're getting the straps digging in anywhere, you're getting any pain, shoulder and back pain, any red marks, anything like that, that's probably too small. And then also lift up your arms. And you can look right around where the underwire is. It should sit flush. So if it's lifting up, riding up the breast tissue, or the band is riding up in the back, you're in the wrong size.
I have no underwire on mine.
You don't need it. You're good.
Shumaya, how long have you been wearing that bra?
It's my favorite bra. So I've had it for some years, like 2 to 3 years. Yeah. I mean, this is like the bra that when I look sexy, I feel good. I mean, might not be the right size.
Okay, well, I'm going to give you a really good tip here. Every 6 months to a year, you should be replacing your bra. At wear and tear, as we're wearing it, as we're washing it, it's stretching out, it's changing and losing its shape. So we want to make sure that we're replacing our bras. Also, a great tip is when you're bra shopping, make sure that you try on the bras to the middle to the tightest hook, okay? Because you want to give yourself, as you're like, walking around in your bra, it's breaking in just like you're breaking in your shoes, right? Just like a great pair of shoes. So you want to make sure you're giving it room, and then you can move it along to the looser hook. Now, if you're wearing it on the tighter hook and it's getting a little loose, it's probably time to replace it.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss out on new videos to live the good life.